That's right here.
Big boaties on the park.
Oh yeah.
Stop.
Absolutely. Throw up a boat. There's no right and left, there's only right and wrong.
No, I got all rubber on the front of the body.
You always turn wrong.
Hey.
He's determined if it's your boat.
Bob, watch your boat.
Is that a double fault?
You look at your boat.
If I just put into the bushes, I can't see the boat, but I
Bob.
can see the weight.
Did you find your boat, Bob?
Ah, there it is.
Right there.
Look at your boat.
He's hiding out from the Coast Guard. Hey.
All around the back, all the rubber strips. You know what I did is I got fan belts. I glued it on, worked out well. Those timing belts, got the grooves on, worked out really nice. So I got the ones on longitudinally and got some vertical too. Went to car dealer, that's the best place to buy them.
The last time in Japan.
Because they changed belts, you know, Allen's
And
cars.
they kept breaking the, like they're inflatable, like a ball. You gotta stick a pin in it, you don't blow them up. They were breaking the things the whole bit. So this time they got them went to Japan, to China.
Well,
And these things,
I want some repairs on mine.
they're better made, they're cheaper.
I don't feel like starting a new boat. Of course, I got this big 6 footer to start.
Get a football to blow up the basketball.
All the day. I was hoping to get it delivered today or tomorrow. This is the whole thing. Right. Bob and I figure it's going to take us probably a month and a half, 2 months to get that done. I don't want to start any boats until I get that done. It's a beautiful thing. That's huge.
We started out over here and over there. A couple of them took us over 10 minutes.
Change batteries, that terminal was warm in there.
Others have the old throttles.
You can tell how big it was.
Yeah, keep going, just like that. Right over.
You can tell how bad the wind was. These guys said no faults. Because you had to, the rules would make a fault, you got to do it big 60, it's not a 720.
I'm getting the hell out of here.
When you guys get your boats.
Get behind them.
Boats are us.
Safe.
You know, I got that one boat I built, the Phyllis, it's got that dead rise. And it's been noisy as a devil since I built it.
Did you ever find harbor yesterday?
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Is it on the east side?
Yeah, it's a couple miles west of 35. The easiest way to get there is you go around 35 to 40. Yeah. You know where 441
Baseline Road, isn't it? By the dump?
I don't know.
I know 440. I usually go up 441.
You know where 301 and 441 meet?
Yeah.